Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the controller sensitivity in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Select the clipboard in the main menu or press the menu key and select settings. From here go to controls. In controls, look for controller sensitivity. As you can see, by the default it is set to 2.0. Adjust it to your liking. You can go as low as 1.0 or as high as 8.0. After you make your adjustment, hit apply and hit close. After that, hit return to game, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.